Hello everyone. Today we will introduce Coleopteran's identification and control technology. Coleopterans are called beetles because of their hard, armor-like forewings. The most distinctive feature of Coleopteran is that the forewings are hard elytra. The hindwings are membranous and folded beneath the elytra. During the flight, the forewings are spread and the hindwings are relied on mainly for flight. Next, we will study the biological characteristics of Coleopterans. Coleopteran is an incomplete metamorphosis insect. Pupa are naked pupa. Most species are sexual dimorphism. Adults often feign death and are mostly phototropic. The feeding habits are complex. The beetle larvae are diverse in morphology and have at least 4 types. They are the carabiform, scarabiform, longhorn beetle, and snout beetle. Next, we will introduce the Coleopteran classification and important families. The Coleopterans can be divided into Archostomata, Myxophaga, Adephaga, and Polyphaga. Adephaga and Polyphaga are more relevant to agricultural production. Firstly, Adephaga. Carabidae, small to medium-sized body, black or brown. Most species have a metallic luster. The head is narrower than the prothorax. It is prognathous and has walking legs. Cicindelidae, medium-sized body with a bright luster. The head is wider than the prothorax. The head is prognathous, and compound eyes are large and prominent. Dysticidae, small to large body, long, oval, flat and smooth surface. Elytra has stripes and dots. Hind legs are swimming legs, and male forelegs are clasping legs. Polyphaga, Scarabaeoidea, brightly colored body, with yellow, blue, green, and other metallic lusters. The most distinctive feature of this family is that the antennae of the adults are all gill-shaped, and their larvae are collectively called grubs, which mainly feed on the rhizomes of plant seedlings. Elateridae and Buprestidae, the two kinds of adults are very similar in morphology. The prothoracic dorsal plate of Elateridae is well developed, and the posterior lateral angles protrude into sharp spines. There are joints between the prothorax and mesothorax which can be used for kowtowing activities. In contrast, the dorsal plates of the prothorax and the posterior lateral angle of the Buprestid beetles are not protruding. The larvae of the click beetles are wireworms with a smooth and hard appearance. The larvae of Buprestid beetles, commonly known as Agrillus sp, are slender and segmented. The prothorax is flat and expanded without legs. Cerambicidae, adults medium to large. The antenna exceeds body length, is filiform and posteriorly draped. Compound eyes are reniform, surrounding the head of the antenna. The larvae of Cerambicidae are creamy white or pale yellow. The body is obese without legs. The prothorax is dorsally ossified and has many rough granules. Dorsal and ventral surfaces with fleshy protrusions. Coccinellidae, the body is hemispherical or oval, resembling a ladybird. The head is small, posterior half hidden under the dorsal plate of the prothorax. The antenna is short and rod-shaped. Chrysomelidae, small to medium-sized body. Adults have golden luster. The antenna is filiform and shorter than the body. Both adults and larvae are phytophagous. Colchiolionidae is called a snout beetle because the head extends forward into an elephant trunk shape. The antenna is geniculate with dilated hammer-like ends. Larvae have no legs. Most species of adults and larvae are phytophagous. Next, we will study the control technology of Coleopteran pests. For pests that bore the trunk of trees, such as longhorn beetle and Buprestid beetle, select resistant species and cut down trees with severe damage. Protect and use the natural enemies, such as the Scleroderma guanyixiao et wu and the Choyoya cunea yang. Artificially trap and kill adults by finding egg-laying grooves, hammering eggs, and hooking and killing larvae with iron wire. Use baited wood to trap and kill. Repair the holes in time. Paint the tree's lower parts white, etc. In pharmacological control, you can use emamectin benzoate, imidacloprid injection, thiacloprid spray, etc. For underground pests such as wireworms, grubs, etc., use sweet potatoes, carrots, and other traps to kill the wireworm. It's better to do the trapping and killing job in the morning and evening when the temperature is not too high. A black light can be set to trap and kill insects. Apply pesticides such as clothianidin, foxim, imidacloprid, etc., mixed with compost. Use seed treatment such as thiamethoxam to treat seeds and then sow them. For leaf-eating pests such as leaf beetle, based on removing fallen leaves, artificially shaking off, removing egg masses, releasing natural enemy insects, etc., seeds can be treated with seed treatment agents such as thiamethoxam and then sown. Clothianidin, burrow application, green muscardine fungus, Bovaria bassiana, Telestris angulatus, acetamiprid, chlorphenapir, acetamiprid spray, etc. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next section.